Reflection can be a great way to gather critical opportunities for a project. The term Hansei refers to the reflection and recognition of one's actions. Hansei is often used to recognize one's own mistakes and commit to taking the appropriate actions in order to resolve and avoid reoccurrence of one's mistakes. The Hansei can be performed in a team environment or in a personal, reflective manner. Either way, it is important that teams and individuals stretch their mind enough to find something so they can improve upon it. So, where can Hansei be performed? The act of reflection can be performed at one's desk or in a boardroom after a project. It can be performed in casual, deep conversation or deep analysis with documents and data. In fact, it can be performed anywhere you feel reflection is appropriate. The most important aspect of Hansei is that it is performed regularly. Let's now turn our attention to how we can perform a productive Hansei. There are many different ways you can perform Hansei. These 3 steps will help you get started. Before we begin, it is important to understand that Hansei is a quick 15-minute reflection period. It is very easy for reflection to turn into a meeting and drag on. With that being said, you'll want to bring the necessary people together and start things off on a positive note. You can ask, what went or is going well? This simple open-ended question can help people focus on the positive. It can also help others learn from others by benchmarking best practices. Responses should be as specific as time will allow. Next, you can ask, what is not going well? This can get all the struggles out on the table and give people an opportunity to support one another and move forward. You may want to assign a scribe to take notes during this section of Hansei. As people reveal problems, you may want to conduct a very quick 5 why analysis. Be cautious of time though. Finally, ask, how can I improve this? In the last phase of Hansei, focus on finding ways to improve and setting actions. You may generate ideas for improvements, or you may find areas where support is needed. Remember, this is only a suggested format. As you begin to reflect daily, you will learn what works for you, and you can transform this idea into a solution that really ignites your power.